How to draw Rayburn Jr. We are going to start by drawing his chin. For this, we will draw a very wide U-like shape. Awesome! Next, we're going to draw his right horn. To do this, we will draw a curved line above the right side of his chin. From the top of that curved line, we're going to draw a sideways L-like shape for the top of his horn. Then to finish his right horn, we're going to draw one more curved line connecting the top of that L-like shape back down to where his chin is. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw his left horn the same way that we drew his right one. Then, in between his two horns on the top of his head, we're going to draw a triangle-like shape right here. Now we're going to draw two lines connecting the top of his head, one going from the left horn to that triangle we drew, and another one going from that triangle to the right horn. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings are coming along awesome! Now we're going to draw another triangle shape right here. Next, we're going to start drawing Rayburn Jr.'s face. For the first step of drawing his face, we're going to draw his smile. This will be a big long line with a small space in it where we will draw one of his teeth. Then in that space to draw his tooth, we're going to draw a triangle shape. Our drawings are looking awesome, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. I can't wait to see them when they're all finished. Next, we're going to draw his nose. Above his mouth, in the middle of his face, we're going to draw a tall upside down V shape. Then on each side of that V shape, we're going to draw a curved line going outwards. Then we're going to connect both sides of his nose with a line going across the bottom. Then to finish drawing his nose, we're going to draw two half circles on the bottom line. These will be for his nostrils. Awesome job drawing his nose! Now we're going to draw a line going from the bottom of the left horn to the left side of the nose. Then we're going to draw a line from the right side of his nose to the right side of his face. For the next step of drawing Rayburn Jr., we're going to add some detail to his nose. For this, we will draw 2 lines going from the top triangle on his head down on either side of his nose. Looking awesome! Next, we're going to draw his eyebrows. For his left eyebrow, we will draw a rectangle towards the top of his head. Then for his right eyebrow, we will do the same thing. I'm going to pause for a few seconds in case you need to catch up. Next, we're going to draw his eyes. For his right eye, we will draw a circle coming off the right side of his nose. Then we're going to draw a curved line inside of this circle for his eye. Then inside of that circle, we're going to draw an even smaller circle and color it in black. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw his right eye the same way, but it won't be connected to his nose. Our drawings are looking great. Now we're going to do the final step of drawing Rayburn Jr. On his horns, we're going to add some lines for detail. Then when we color it in, we'll be able to color his horns 2 different colors. Looks good. Now let's draw some lines on the other horn. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome. I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, then give it a big like below and stick around until the very end so that you could see our drawing all colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.